Before you view our video, please take a few moments to subscribe our Better Health Ideas channel by clicking subscribe button and tap a bell icon. So, you are a first person to know when we are post our new video. The liver is about 3.5 pounds, sits over the right side of the body, and has over 500 different functions. When someone starts to develop a fatty liver, there can be no symptoms at all. But, eventually, the person may start to develop a gut, and as the condition becomes more advanced, they may start to notice symptoms of a fatty liver. The liver is a gland that secretes chemicals required by other parts of the body. In fact, the liver is the only part of your body that is both an organ and a gland. A healthy liver regulates the composition of blood, removes harmful toxins from the blood, as well as processes and converts nutrients absorbed by the intestines during digestion into forms that the body can use. It also stores some vitamins, iron, and simple sugar glucose. Many foods can help cleanse, rejuvenate, and detoxify your liver. Here are the top 10 liver cleansing superfoods. 1. Green tea. By drinking green tea daily, you can help your body flush out toxins and fat deposits, while increasing hydration levels. A 2002 study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that the catechins in tea help stimulate lipid catabolism in the liver. This in turn prevents fat accumulation in the liver. This healthy beverage also protects the liver from the damaging effects of toxic substances like alcohol. Green tea is also beneficial in treating or preventing liver disease. According to a 2009 study published in Cancer Causes and Control, people who drink green tea have a lower risk of developing liver cancer. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. If desired, sweeten your tea with honey. Note, avoid drinking green tea in excess, as it can have an adverse impact on your liver and other body parts. 2. Beetroots. Beetroots are another powerful food for cleansing and supporting liver function. High in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, they help stimulate and improve overall liver function. Moreover, beetroots are natural blood purifiers. Simply add fresh beetroots or juice to your daily diet. Make a powerful liver cleansing salad with 1 cup of chopped or grated beetroots, 2 tablespoons of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, and the juice of 1/2 lemon. Mix all the ingredients together and eat 2 teaspoons of it every 2 hours during the day for a week. 3. Add garlic to your diet. Garlic is a healthy ingredient that is recognized in many cultures and cuisines for its beneficial properties. It is rich in sulfur that helps the liver by activating certain enzymes to remove toxins from the body. 5. Leafy green vegetables. Along with fiber, leafy green vegetables have some amazing compounds that can promote the health of your liver. 6. Add turmeric to your diet. It is believed that the addition of turmeric to your diet can promote the growth of new cells in the liver. 7. Increase vitamin C intake. Not only is vitamin C good for your immune system, it's been shown to have positive effects on the liver as well. All you have to do is simply eat more citrusy fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. 8. Add turmeric to your diet. It is believed that the addition of turmeric to your diet can promote the growth of new cells in the liver. 9. Grapefruit. Being a good source of vitamin C, pectin, and antioxidants, grapefruit also aids the natural cleansing process of the liver. It also contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and detoxifies the liver. 10. Lemons. Lemons help detoxify the liver, mainly due to the antioxidant D-limonene present in it, which helps activate enzymes in the liver that aid detoxification. Moreover, the high amount of vitamin C in lemons helps your liver produce more enzymes to aid digestion. I hope you learned something new today. If you like our video, please give us a thumb up and share it with your friends. More tips, please subscribe Better Health Ideas channel. Please also check out Fatty Liver Program for Natural Liver link below, the link also inside our description area.